So welcome to all of you in the grammar day, and today we are going to discuss the assessment of active passive in the form of quiz, and after that we will start the conditional sentences. Right? Now you know the rules of active passive. Okay? So today we will discuss the quiz. I have made a quiz on passive voice on the tense present continuous. What the tense I have taken for you, that is called the present continuous. Present continuous and present perfect. Now, before starting today's quiz, first just recapitulate ki what is the rule of present continuous in active voice. Yes, what is the rule of present continuous in active voice? अगर एक एक्टिव वॉइस में आपको सेंटेंस बनाना है, so what is the rule of that? क्या रूल क्या होगा प्रेजेंट वॉइस का? सॉरी, प्रेजेंट सेंटेंस का एक्टिव वॉइस, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस. Yes?
Is plus ing?
Only is.
No. Are helping verb plus ing.
What are the helping verbs?
Is, am, are, was, were,
Was,
have.
no. Was what doesn't come in
It's okay. Oh, sorry, ma'am. Is, am, are.
Is, am, are, and then verb की first form के साथ ing. This is the rule of present continuous active voice. जैसे I am cooking, I am attending the session, I am going to market. So these are all the active voice of present. Now, what is the rule of passive voice of present continuous? What is the rule? Yes, बनाओ.
Third form plus we will use being.
Third, नहीं, पूरा structure बताओ पूजा. What is the structure?
Object.
Subject to object, then
Plus supporting verb.
what are the supporting verbs you have to use in present continuous?
Is, am, are.
Very good. Is, am, are. Then
extra verb.
Extra verb. Very good. What is an extra verb?
Being.
Being is an extra verb. B-E-I-N-G, being.
Then main verb, V3 form.
Then main verb in V3 form. Very good. And then subject to object. Very good. Jyoti, we are just discussing about the rules. Pranita has also joined. Okay, now this rule is clear. This rule is clear. Now our quiz is based only on this rule. Okay, so now I'm showing. Okay, present continuous active or passive voice. Okay, so now the sentence is given in front of you. You just read the sentence and tell me in bracket there is a verb. In bracket there is a verb. Now you have to check whether you will construct this sentence into active or you will construct this sentence into passive. Agar active mein hoga, so we are main focusing only on the subject. And if the sentence is in passive, so our main focus is only on the object. ठीक है? Clear? Now, let's start. Yes. The house dash built at the moment. Yes, Pooja.
Ma'am, in this sentence, subject is there.
What are you saying, Pooja?
Ma'am, I'm saying the house is subject or object?
You have to check, na? House subject हो सकता है?
No, ma'am.
Subject कौन होता है? Subject is a doer. Doer. So अगर house doer नहीं है, so house is an object. अगर ये object है, so ये कौन से voice में बनेगा?
Active voice में.
Active voice में.
Ma'am, passive.
Passive voice में बनेगा. If we are more focusing on the object, तो passive voice में बनेगा. बनाओ इसको passive voice में.
And can I try?
Okay, Tanuja.
The house is being built at the moment.
Very nice. The house is being built at the moment. Because this is an object. Object के ऊपर emphasize कर रहे हो, so then you have to make in passive. Passive का rule क्या है? is MR, then extra verb, then V3. Okay, clear?
I was confused. I thought कि आप पूछ रहे हैं कि like it will be convert or not.
No. You have to make the verbs are given. You just fill the verb accordingly. Pooja, let's try.
She is being baked the bread now.
She is being baked.
Baked.
Anyone else?
She baked the bread now.
She baked.
Ma'am, can I try?
Wait, Tanuja.
The
Amit,
Okay.
what is the tense?
Can I try, ma'am?
This is
Yes,
the present tense, ma'am.
What is the
Present
tense?
perfect.
Present perfect. This is a present perfect tense.
She baked the bread now.
What is
Ma'am,
the
present
tense?
continuous.
Just see the tense is written on the top.
Present continuous.
Present
But
continuous.
then what is the present continuous?
She is being the bread now.
She is.
He is baking the bread now.
Absolutely
ma'am, she
wrong.
is
Absolutely
baking.
wrong.
She is baking the
Baking.
bread now.
सिंपल पूजा एक तो ब्लंडर
Ma'am, being
बीइंग क्यों यूज कर रहे हो मुझे तो ये समझ नहीं आ रहा हु इज अ डूअर डूअर क्या है यहाँ पर व्हाट इज अ डूअर
she
Subject.
शी
subject.
अगर डूअर ये वो काम कर रहा है वी आर एम्फेसाइजिंग ऑन द डूअर तो ये कौन से वॉइस में हुआ सेंटेंस ये एक्टिव वॉइस
Active
में
voice
Active
में.
में.
Active
एक्टिव
voice में.
वॉइस का कॉन्टिन्यूस नहीं आ पा रहा क्या बनाना वेरी सिंपल इज एम आर देन वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी और अगर आप बीइंग भी यूज कर रहे हो पूजा और बीइंग के साथ आप आईएनजी कैसे यूज कर सकते
नहीं यूज कर सकते.
यस माय हस्बैंड डैश इन बेड यस
My husband is reading in the bed.
माय हस्बैंड
Is
is
reading
reading
in
in bed
reading
very
in
good very good AK
The car is servicing right now.
the car is servicing right now Chetna
Can I try, ma'am?
okay yes try
The car is being serviced right now.
the car is being serviced
Served.
right now.
Served.
The car is being serviced.
It's a service.
Car is an object.
Okay.
If we are focusing on the object, so then we have to construct that sentence into passive voice. Passive voice. The car is being serviced. Car service करवाई जा रही है. अगर आप बोल रहे हो ना एक द कार इज सर्विसिंग इसका मतलब है कार सर्विस कर रही है हाउ कैन द कार अपने आप ही सर्विस कर रही है समवन शुड बी देयर टू सर्विस दैट कार यस ज्योति okay those students who have switched off their camera I'm not asking from them okay Pooja
The workman is building the walls now.
the workmen
Is building the walls now.
the workmen are
Are
MEN है MEN
okay.
the workmen are
Are
building
building
the
the
walls
walls
now
now.
Tanuja
A new drug is being tested at the moment.
a new drug is being tested at the moment very good next Pranita
The bread is
The bread
baked
is
at the
being baked at the moment.
the bread is being baked at the moment very nice the bread is being baked Chetna
Yes, ma'am. For me, The meal is being served right now.
The meal is
Being served right now.
very nice. The being is being served right now. Passive. Someone should be there to serve the meal. Amit,
Yes, ma'am. The photo is being developed now.
the
photos are
photos,
being
the photos,
developed.
Are being developed now. Developed now.
the photos are being developed now.
Developed now, yes.
Pooja,
The mechanic is being repaired our car. Repairing our car.
yes. Pooja, it's very simple. Mechanic is a doer. Mechanic is a doer. Okay?
The children are laughing at the clown.
Very good. The children are laughing at the clown. Next, my brother dash at the moment. Chetna,
My brother is in the hospital. Hold on. My brother is being examined at the hospital. My brother is being examined at the hospital.
Pranita, is Chetna right?
I'm not sure, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Very nice. Very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
My brother
I was
is
perplexed,
being.
ma'am.
Ah,
Doctor.
because now doctor is examining the brother.
The
अगर आप
person.
बोलते ना my brother is examining तो मतलब brother examine कर रहा है लेकिन यहाँ पर situation क्या है brother को examine किया जा रहा.
Yes.
Yes, Pranita.
They are visiting the zoo with their children.
Very nice, very nice. They are visiting the zoo with their children.
Ma'am.
Yes, Tanuja.
A clown is being laughed at by the children.
Very good. The clown is being laughed at by the children. Yes. Amit.
Yes, ma'am. John is John. The Jones is the Jones having his dinner.
The Jones
Are having dinner.
Pooja, is Amit right?
No, ma'am.
Then
The Jones is being have dinner.
the Jones
Is
The John is being had
being
dinner.
have dinner. Because खाना जॉन के द्वारा खाया
the
जाता है.
Jones is being having.
Having नहीं आएगा ना मैं have.
The Jones is having dinner.
Tanuja.
You know.
Yes, the Jones.
Is having dinner.
Ma'am, Jones is a name or a, yes, no, Jones is having dinner. Okay, Jones, हाँ.
अब देखो ये क्यों आया है देखो अब यहाँ पर क्या है द जोन्स लिखा है. What does it mean the Jones? The Jones का मतलब है या तो इसको आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो all the family members of John. All the family members of John is equal to the Jones. The Jones. Suppose करो मेरे सारे परिवार वाले हैं जैसे मेरा आइन गुप्ता तो सबको अलग 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 गुप्ता ना बोल के मैं क्या बोलती हूँ, द गुप्ता फैमिली, द गुप्तास,
Guptas.
द गुप्तास।
Yes.
तो उसका मतलब क्या है,
We
ऑल
are
द
getting
मेंबर्स ऑफ
all
गुप्ता,
are families. हाँ.
all the family, so that becomes a plural. Okay,
Hello.
got you?
Hmm.
Got this concept? So whenever it is written the John, the is mentioned here, the is mentioned here, the Guptas, the Kalras.
So, ma'am, Joan and as there is no like between
हाँ
post
हाँ,
office.
there is no, यहाँ पर इसका मतलब हो गया all the
It's a
members.
subject.
अगर apostrophe s लगाते हो तो उसका मतलब होता है का, जॉन का, जैसे जॉन ब्रदर, JONE apostrophe S ब्रदर, अगर आप ऐसे लिखते हो तो उसका मतलब हो गया जॉन का, जॉन का। लेकिन यहाँ पर है जोन्स, एक ही सिंगल वर्ड है, इट मीन्स ऑल जोन्स, ऑल जोन्स। Clear this thing?
ma'am.
Next.
May I, ma'am?
हाँ ज्योति, आओ मेरे को लगा you are busy, so that's why I'm not
Ma'am,
asking.
there is a network issue today.
Okay,
That's
okay,
why.
okay, just try.
This is a active form of the continuous present continuous tense. The baby is feeding by its mother.
No, ma'am. I
The
think
baby is being
The
Sorry,
baby
sorry,
is
ma'am. Sorry.
being,
Passive by
this is in
passive voice.
passive voice.
The baby being fed. Yes, ma'am.
अगर ये
By
बोल देना
its
the
mother.
baby is
Yes.
is feeding, मतलब बेबी फीड करवा
Oh,
रहा है।
last one. I forget last one.
Yes, ma'am. हाँ.
हाँ, the baby is being fed, बेबी को
The baby
खिलाया
is
जा
being
रहा है।
fed by its mother. Okay.
Next.
The
Yes.
photographer is
Hmm.
taking their photo.
Yes, the photographer is taking their photo. Amit.
yes, ma'am. The child, the child. Okay, what is the question here? The child helped by his
Help.
mother.
हाँ,
No,
it's an interrogative.
present
हाँ,
continuous.
The child is being held.
Yes.
Does the child helped by his mother?
does कहाँ से आ गया अमित? This is a present continuous.
Is being the child
Okay.
helped.
Ma'am, may I?
May I try, ma'am?
Okay, anyone?
Is
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
हाँ,
the
being-
child
हाँ,
being helped by his mother?
yes, very nice. Is the child being held by his mother?
Yes.
Because it is a continuous tense, so आपको is MR पहले लेना है. Then you have to check child के साथ क्या आएगा, is, and then being and then held. क्या चाइल्ड की मदद की जा रही है उसकी मम्मी के द्वारा? Done? This is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for the next quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Easy. Okay, so now the second quiz. Before starting the second quiz tense is present perfect. Present perfect. But before starting this quiz, tell me what is the structure of a present perfect in active voice? Okay, I'm talking about
May I, ma'am?
Papia. Papia, can you tell me, dear, what is the structure of a sentence in active voice of present perfect?
Present perfect में present tense उसके साथ जो भार्ब की फर्स्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म है वो यूज होता है और उसके साथ भार्ब की जो प्रेजेंट टेंस है मतलब is, am, are
Oh, no,
ये होता है.
no. Okay, Chetna. Yes, Chetna.
तो सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा प्लस
नहीं, सबसे पहले एक्टिव वॉइस का स्ट्रक्चर बताओ मुझे.
सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस रेस्ट ऑफ प्रेडिकेट फॉर्म.
Third
Subject
form
plus verb plus predicate. This is the structure of an active voice of present perfect.
has, have, and
Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am. We use the have has.
फिर वो तो बोले कहाँ है? सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज हैव प्लस
Past,
Plus been plus past participle
हाँ, ज्योति has written प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट।
object.
object.
अब इसी का मेरे को पैसिव वॉइस बनाना है, तो क्या रूल है इसका?
Object plus supporting verb plus
कौन से सपोर्टिंग वर्ब है? सपोर्टिंग वर्ब कौन से हैं?
has.
हैव और हैज, देन
Extra verb
Been.
रहेगी मैम been. Plus
यस प्लस बीन, बी डबल ई एन,
B-double-E-N.
प्लस
Plus main verb. Plus V3. Past participle.
प्लस मेन वर्ब इन द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल
Past participle.
एंड देन ऑब्जेक्ट का सब्जेक्ट।
Object. Yes, ma'am.
चलो जी, लेट्स ट्राई। तनुजा,
My sister and her husband lives together for a year. My sister and her husband
have
have
been
been together for years.
together for
my sister and her husband have been together for year. What is the voice? Tanuja, what is the voice?
Active voice, ma'am.
So that's why you have to put have, because there are the two things, two subjects, his sister
Two
and
subjects
husband.
are
And be का क्या past participle form क्या होता है? What is the
Be-
past participle
been.
of form of
Been.
B-double-E-N.
been? This is not a passive voice, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. AK,
he has went to Mexico.
what is the past participle of go? Go का past participle क्या होता है? के थर्ड फॉर्म क्या होता है? Go,
Gone.
went, gone. Yes.
Gone.
तो क्या बनेगा इसका? He,
Has gone to
yes, he has gone to Mexico. पूजा,
The house has built at last.
the house has built at last.
Mm-hmm.
Built.
ज्योति,
The house has built at last.
okay, Pranita,
The house has been built at last.
Jyoti and Pooja, guys, where are you getting confused? अगर आप
Object
बोल
is
रहे
there.
हो the house has built, तो इसका मतलब
House
house
is the object.
बनाया है।
Yes.
Object.
has been. Yes,
Object.
ma'am.
देखो, अगर आप बोल रहे हो ना the house has built, इसका मतलब है house ने बनाया है। How can
Yes,
the
ma'am.
house
House
built?
बनाया गया.
House को बनाया गया है। House is an object. और object होते ही that you have to construct in passive voice. अगर यहाँ पर होता instead of house labor, then you can say
Labor.
the labor has built the house.
Then active.
Then active voice बनता। चेतना,
War has been declared.
very good. Oh my God, war has been declared. War declared हो गई है। War has been declared. Amit,
The bank has been robbed.
that bank
That
has never been
Never
robbed.
been robbed. Never been robbed.
Never be है ना? That bank has
Yes.
never been robbed. Yes.
She has worked at the same bank for years.
Yes, she has worked at the same bank for years. Pooja,
And the house has gone from the local bank.
$6 million have been still.
May I, ma'am?
$6 million have been still from the local bank.
$6
Stolen.
million
Stolen.
has been stolen. Steal, stole, stolen. $6 million is considered as one entity. एक ही identity वो entity consider होती है, so that's why we have written has.
Has.
Pranita,
She has worked as a teacher since she left the school.
yes, she has worked as a teacher since she left the school. Tanuja,
Has not been visited.
That castle has been visited by thousands of tourists.
very good. That castle has been visited by thousands of tourists. Jyoti,
That was something. Will be in
Thousands of soldiers have been killed since war began.
again speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Again एक बार दोबारा बोलो.
Hundreds of soldiers have killed since the war began.
Have killed.
have
Been, I think.
Have been killed. मारे गए
I don't know.
हैं.
why I
Have
confused.
been killed.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, मारे गए हैं. Next. चेतना.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
In love with her teacher. She has with her teacher. She has been in she has fallen in love with her teacher.
Yeah, she has fallen. Fall, fell, fallen.
Fallen.
She has fallen in love with her teacher. AK,
our neighbors broken into.
our neighbors have been broken into. Broken into मतलब enter कर लेना, अंदर घुस जाना. अंदर घुस जाना. Okay, this is a phrasal verbs.
But ma'am, I have one doubt here. A neighbor is not an object, so why we are using have been here?
क्योंकि यहाँ पर देखो अमित, it's not mandatory कि object means always a thing. हमारे नेबर घुसाए गए हैं. Our neighbors have been broken into. Our
Okay.
neighbors have been. देखो ये वैसे दोनों सेंस में बन सकता है, depends on the situation. Our neighbors have broken into, it's also right. Our neighbors have been broken into, it's also right. Okay, it depends on
Okay.
the situation, in which situation you are using. Yes, Pooja.
The new museum has not been opened yet.
Very nice. A new museum has not been opened yet. Pranita.
The tiger has been captured in the park.
Very good. A tiger has been captured in the park. पकड़ा गया है. Tiger पकड़ा गया है park. Has been captured.
Yes, ma'am.
और अगर ये होता टाइगर ने पकड़ा है तो क्या बनाते?
A tiger has captured.
Yes, a tiger has captured. Yes. Amit,
An old baby has,
lady.
sorry, an old lady has just won a million crore.
Euros.
Euros. Has
Ah,
just won this.
an old lady has just won €1,000,000. Next.
They has finished the repair of the roof.
They has
They have.
finished the
They have.
repairs.
Yes.
They have. They के साथ have.
Yeah. Have yes.
Jyoti.
Been cancelled because of this.
All flights have cancelled because of the strike.
Have been cancelled.
Chetna.
all flights have been cancelled
Have
because of
been
the strike.
cancelled. ज्योति अगर आप बोलेंगे ना all flights have cancelled मतलब सारी फ्लाइट्स ने कैंसिल कर दी है. फ्लाइट्स कैंसिल की गई है. फ्लाइट्स कैंसिल की गई है. फ्लाइट इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट. फ्लाइट इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट. So that's why you have to put have been. Tanuja.
Geologists.
Archaeologists have been found
The remains.
the remains of an ancient city.
Pranita.
एक मिनट मैम. Archaeologists have found the remains of an ancient city.
Yes. Archaeologist is a doer.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranita.
The children have been taught by the same teacher for the 3 years.
The children have been
Have
taught.
been
The children have been taught
Taught.
by the
taught.
same
Taught.
teacher.
Teach, taught.
Okay, taught. Sorry.
Taught.
Taught.
Pooja.
So children all over the
Children
world.
all over the millions of children all over the world have read that book.
Yes, have read that. AK.
I'm so happy. He has invited me to the fancy dress party.
Very nice, very nice. He has invited me to the fancy dress party. Chetna.
From the museum. Painting has been stolen from the museum.
Very good, very good. A painting has been stolen. Has been stolen. Tanuja.
What is the verb, ma'am?
Oh,
अच्छा वर्ब है नहीं कोई बात नहीं. Visit लिख लो. Visit.
Okay.
and yes, mm,
A lot of tourists have
wow,
visited this town.
just this.
Has been visited this town or have?
क्यों has been क्यों? Lot of tourists ने visit
they are
किया है.
subjects.
हाँ.
Yeah, they are
Simple.
subjects.
Taught for tourism.
हाँ.
Okay, done. So how's the quiz?
It was
मजा
fine,
आया.
ma'am.
Difficulty level
It was nice, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ठीक
No,
है.
ma'am.
Little
Yeah.
difficult as compared to previous.
But you will do practice, then you will get the perfection. Right.
I have done so many classes, but I enjoyed a lot. This one.
Okay, so let's start the next topic. What's the time? It's 9:44.
45.
Okay, it's only the 15 minutes left for the new topic. Okay, so let me
You
check.
can take more quiz, ma'am. Next
So
time.
let me check. I have made one more quiz. If I have saved, so I will share. Just give me a second.